And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the latest from Bandai. We have the HGAC or HG After Colony 1/144 Altron Gundam. Yes, so now the Season 2 mobile suits of Gundam Wing is now complete with the Altron. So as you can see here in the box art, it's completely green, monocolored, very Bandai, and we have Altron Gundam on here. And one of his famous attacks or gimmicks is that he can extend his hand. And off to the side is just saying Altron Gundam. Another one here, Altron Gundam, and just Altron Gundam and some details. So now let's take a look and see what's inside the box. So first off, we have here one bag with one sprue, all white, and a multicolored sprue here. Another bag with the PCs, all white, and multicolored sprues again. Another bag here with three sprues that are gray. And last bag, we have two sprues, one all gray, a sticker sheet, and multicolored sprue. And of course, since this is a Bandai, the instruction manuals is also reminiscent of a Bandai instruction manual, where there's no colored picture of the finished kit. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, what we have here is the A1 sprue, or the A1, which is a multicolored sprue, and I do think that there are some hints of the Shenlong here. Yeah, so we have some greens, we have some yellow, some red. Shenlong is actually, the main color is blue, but now it's all green. So that's the A1 sprue there. We also have a B1 sprue, which is all gray, and it only has some manipulators and some parts for the limbs. It also has a B2, which some parts are replicated for the limbs. We also have a C2. We don't have a C1, but we have not just one, but two C2s here. Yeah, there you go, two C2s, which is for the limbs and the joints. We also have a D1, which again, the multicolored sprue is back with all the green, yellow, and red, and this part here is for the weapon. Some parts of it are replicated into D2, mostly the colored parts down below here. Yeah, there we go, that's the D2. We also have an E1, which is all white, and this is for the wings and the backpack. And some parts of it is replicated into an E2 here for the other part of the wings or the other side of the backpack. And also some PC sprue here. And a very small sticker sheet right here. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HGAC Gundam Wing Altron Gundam. Yeah, this is the season 2 suit of Wu Fei, from Shenlong becoming into Altron and completing the whole set of the season 2 for the 5 main wing guys. And this is Mixer War saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing another video, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.